Hey everyone, I have a 10 by 20 gallery wrap canvas and we're going to do flip and drag. So I'm going to grab my little 5-ounce cup and spray it with my WD-40 silicone spray. And I'm going to go ahead and rub that in so I can release the paint from my cup and I don't use it to create cells. And the 4 colors I'm using today are Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue Hue, Lucas Prussian Blue, Deco Art Peacock Pearl, and Soho Terravert, which is also known as Viridian. So I'm going to go ahead and fill my cup. I'm going to start with the Terravert / Viridian. I'm going to follow that with the Peacock Pearl. And then Prussian Blue. And, oops, Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue Hue. It's like a turquoise green metallic. It's very pretty. So I have about an ounce of paint in my cup. I think I want to give this one a swirl. And I'm going to go ahead and flip that in the middle of my canvas. When I use the WD-40, it releases all the paint from the cup and it falls directly to the canvas. And we're going to try to poke a hole. And the paint's down, so we can go ahead and drag. And when I'm dragging, I like to release the suction first, and then glide the cup on top of the white paint and release a little there. And I'm going to go back in and grab it because I did drop quite a bit up there. Doesn't want to give me any. Okay. So I like to let it rest for a minute. See where I'm low and where I'm down to the bare. Touch those spots with a little bit of white from my tray. And like here where I have color, I can grab a little bit of this white with color and dab the ends of that paint. So when I tilt it, it will fill in easier. Okay, since I have a bunch of paint here, I want to come down. And I don't care if that goes off the side. Now that I see it's moving, I'll bring it back. And now I'm going to stretch north and south. It just opens it up and lets the cells come up faster. And try to get everything back to the middle there. But I do like when they do this, so they come out farther and gives it a little more character. I have a bubble there. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick torch. And I'm going to go after it with my airbrush. Push some of those edges out. trying to break that little pile of color up. So when you get to a spot like this where you have white before the edge, you can go behind it and grab color and move it forward. It fills up that blank spot as well. And I'm going to turn it around and work on the other side. So while you're watching, go ahead and click subscribe and hit that little bell, and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Check out my links below for my Amazon shop where I sell all these supplies. I'm an affiliate. And there's everything there, the washing machine tray, the airbrush, the torch and cups and plastic spoons, the chuck pads. I have just about everything covered. Let me give it another torch. You can click like and share. Share, share, share. Join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. You get to see dried paintings and chit chat. This is going to dry totally different because that Terravert is light colored on here right now with peacock pearl, but it will get darker as it dries. And I would think that you might want to hang this one vertically. I'll show it to you vertically. I keep seeing an air bubble here. I get it later. Check out my links below for my Etsy shop. And you can always sponsor my channel if you want to. I do it all privately. And quarterly we do drawings. Our next drawing will be in August. So if you donate between now and July 31st, you'll be put into the hat for the drawing. And we're working on our 10,000 subscribers so we can have another drawing, another giveaway. We've been talking about doing art supplies this time, so you might want to get in on that one for sure. But you have to be a subscriber. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Bye now.